Hello, everybody. Our last episode in this series on calculators. And before I go to the bottom row here, something I forgot to mention about desk calc. See that? You can, a bit hard to grab, but there we go. We can drag it to the desktop as a replicant. And it should even work with a compact version. Let's try that. There we go. And let's hide the replicant thingies. There you go. So that could be useful information for somebody. Now, you're not going to do that with Qt or KDE or definitely not with Java apps. But one might have a look. Maybe BDH Calc has something similar. I don't know. But we are going to look at these now, which are also available on my collection. Link in the show notes as usual. Let's say calculator orange. Okay, I think we've talked about this one before. Nothing new here, nothing outstanding. It's just so cute. It's so orange. Unless, of course, you don't like it to be orange. If you like to really hurt your eyeballs, then plain and dark gray. Oh, that's dark mode for you. If you really must have a dark mode calculator, now you got one. Pocket calculator. Okay, let's see what this one does. Okay, Java again. And nothing outstanding to look at here. Well, okay. Calculus. Now, how did this work here? Oh, yes, this is another one of those that's more like an old mechanical than a digital calculator. All right, 34. I think you have to put it in here. 4.89 divided by 5. Works about the way you'd expect it. Oh, what's this little button here? Okay, and you can write scripts for it. All right. Functional calculator. Okay. Wow. No. 8 divided by 6 equals. Yeah. Okay. Doesn't actually respond to the equals button, but smashing on enter will do it. And this one can also do plotting. Okay. This is for people with more understanding of mathematics than yours truly. Okay, this is a Qt6. Qt 6, sorry. Okay, nothing outstanding here. Nothing weird. 6 divided by 5. Is that a plus or a divide by. Not very clear. Okay. And now we come to my favorite. Most of these calculators are what's called skeuomorphic. They resemble not just the functionality but the actual appearance of an old digital calculator. In fact, you could argue that some of them actually go back to the mechanical calculators with its roll of paper coming out. Well, this last one takes skeuomorphism to the extreme. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Hewlett-Packard FX702P calculator. Isn't it glorious? Come on, you gotta love it. All right. Yeah, where's the equals? Doesn't have one. Let's just hit enter. There you go. And then it even throws up a little console. So this actually has the little programming language that was in the Casio, and this was quite a famous computer in, I think, in engineering circles. Calculator, not computer. I mean, anybody in the engineering construction had one of these or wanted one of these because it was in fact programmable. So if you want to spend many wasted hours of your life just having fun, you can learn this little programming language and program your Casio FX702P calculator. Or you can just admire how it looks. I mean, come on, it's beautiful. I love it. And that's it. So unless I get something at least as exceptional as this, or something like the percentage calculator that does one job, does it well, I won't be adding to this collection. It's enough now. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, everybody.